Hi, and welcome to the Big Data and Business Intelligence Masterclass presented by Ayub Shaikh. Holistica's goal is to ensure that you become more confident in your day-to-day role as a technical recruiter by understanding the concepts and terminology on CVs and jobs. Of course, you need to be able to relate this learning to your day-to-day activities. So, from time to time, we, the HR managers, will be appearing with examples of job specs that you should fully understand and be able to recruit for after this training. Once you've completed this Big Data and Business Intelligence Masterclass, you should feel much more at ease when discussing the duties of business intelligence consultants, big data architects, data analysts, data scientists, data visualization experts with Tableau and ClickView, SAP HANA consultants, Hadoop, Cassandra, and Spark experts, sentiment analysis experts, and machine learning specialists with R and Python. It is highly recommended that you go through each of the modules in sequence to achieve the best results. You may see more of us HR and IT line managers later on during the course, but for now, sit back and let me hand you over to Ayub Shaikh.